Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your Asus laptop is updated and has sufficient disk space. This prevents installer failures. Once done, sign into your Microsoft 365 account or insert your Office license and run the setup. Follow the installer prompts to install Word. After installation, open Start, type Word, and pin it to the taskbar so you can launch faster. Make sure automatic updates are enabled so Word stays current. This reduces crashes and compatibility issues with templates and fonts. Now create a document and configure it for your needs. You can choose a template for resumes or reports, or select blank document to start fresh. Templates save time because styles and headings are pre-built. Then set margins, orientation, paper size, and pick a default font so every new file matches your format. Once configured, enable autosave and select OneDrive or a local folder to avoid losing work. Also customize the Quick Access toolbar to access frequently used commands instantly. Finish by applying styles, running spelling and grammar checks, and using track changes plus comments when collaborating. These tools keep revisions organized. When ready, export to PDF or print using the dialog. Check accessibility to ensure inclusive content. If Word runs slow or crashes, close background apps, reboot, and run Office repair from Settings Apps Microsoft Office. This reinstalls core files without removing your documents. If problems persist, sign out and back in to refresh your license and cloud sync connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.